Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Loom videos to Dropbox using Loom export settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Loom account in a web browser. Navigate to the video you wish to backup. Click on the video to open it. Look for the share button located below the video. Click on the share button. In the share options, find and select the download button. Once the video is downloaded, locate the file in your device's downloads folder. Next, open your Dropbox account in a new tab or window. Log into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Once in Dropbox, navigate to the folder where you want to store your Loom videos. Click on the Upload button, usually found on the right side of the Dropbox interface. Select Files from the drop-down menu. Locate the Loom video file you downloaded from your device. Select the video file and click Open to start the upload. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, verify that the video appears in your Dropbox folder. Repeat these steps for any additional Loom videos you wish to back up. Your Loom videos are now safely backed up to Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.